I'd like to take just a minute and tell you about my latest Weldmonger black box special. With most other TIG gloves, I wear an extra large. These I easily can get by with a large. And I am almost 10 inches from thumb to tip of my pinky, just for reference. I like mine just a little bit loose. Sometimes you need to be able to get the TIG glove off in a hurry. You know what I mean? Also in the boxes, a couple of the Furic Fupa 12. I call them the Furic Ceramic 12. I'm not crazy about the Fupa name, but they're awesome cups. Having that extra diffuser in there, in addition to the gas lens that you use with it, really is a special sauce and giving you good coverage, hardly any discoloration. Another benefit is you can use a super long stick out with this cup for those times when you got to reach a tight place and you need good coverage at the same time. I've made several videos using this cup. Here's one right here, welding some stainless steel coped tubing with about a 3/4 inch long stick out. When I worked in aerospace, we used something we would call a backup box or a purge box. And it's kind of hard to scrounge up the materials to make a good one. So Roy Crumrine has put together this kit with laser cut material that just folds up like an origami project, and you can make it in about 30 minutes, and then you have a nice little purge box. You can tape up pipe and objects like pipe that have a hollow interior, but you can't always do that. And so it's nice to have a little purge device like this where you can get immediate purging with argon to the backside of a stainless steel weld. That's a horrible situation there. It's going to crack. It's going to trap bacteria. It's not good for food service or anything like that. This one you can already see from the front side that it's going better. Tremendous difference between the two. One is nice and silver, the other is horrible. Another product is this strong hand magnet that you can turn on and off. Sometimes factory cuts come a little bit off, and you might wind up too short if you square it off. Just a really easy way to square something up really quickly for a quick 90. Being able to turn the magnetic on and off makes it a lot easier to work with and lets you blow the fuzz off of it when it gets crapped up, or wipe it off with a shop towel. These are really handy. These are strong hand clamps, locking C-clamps with the extra crank handle here included. You can get a lot more force on that thing with that crank handle. Just makes it a lot easier to work with. TIG finger and a TIG finger XL are something just you want to have in your toolbox all the time. There are times when you just can't find a place to prop. There are times when you can't walk the cup for 6G tests, or for high chrome pipe where you have to preheat it, or for aluminum tanks where you have to drag your knuckles along really hot metal. It makes the job go a whole lot better, makes your knuckles happy at the end of the day. These are made 100% in the USA, materials sourced in the USA, handmade by friends and family. If you're still wondering if this ceramic 12 will fit your torch, this next little piece should clear that up for you. This is an air-cooled 17 style torch, uses the same hardware as 18 and 26 style torches, where the collet body looks like this, almost 2 inches long. If this is your collet body, you have a 17, 18, or 26 style torch, also called a 3 series by some companies. If that's your torch, you'll need this little adapter kit. But man, it'll step up your game. It'll give you better shielding. It'll shorten your torch, let you get in some spots that you couldn't before. For TIG welding 4130 chromoly, Inconel stainless steel, and even titanium, it works great and gives you great coverage with a long stick out. Now, if you got a small collet body like this, you have a 9, 20, or 2 series style torch. If that's the case, all you need is this gas lens here. You may already have one, and if you do, you don't need anything. It's a 45V44. 332 gas lens, and that's all you need. And you can also use any of the Furic clear cups just by slipping an O-ring over the base of the gas lens. Quantities are limited on this black box offer. Don't sleep on this. When we run out, we run out.